I'm going to take you to a place that few people get to see. This is our workshop filled with vehicles that are being touched up and oiled up and fixed. We have about 30 different vehicles that are going out. Some of them are out on safari now. Some of them are getting ready to go out on safari. Let me just take you around and show you what's happening here. Hello. These are getting ready to go out on safari. Getting ready to kind of finalize everything. That's Siasa, their workshop manager. And welcome to our fueling station. So as we get ready to go out on safari, each of the vehicles obviously stop through here, measures what they have, what they need, and off it goes on safari.